All right, Jeff, let's crush it. Box 6. Last one left. What is hiding? I mean, you would think, all the Spectra we've seen, you would think there is something coming here. A couple nice patches, a couple nice dual patch autos in the first couple boxes, but just nothing to really write home about. All right, Barry Sanders to 99. No, Brick, same as it always has been. STLSportscards@gmail.com. Duke Johnson, Monumental Memorabilia. Numbered to 99. This thing's pretty sick looking. Devontae Booker, Aspiring Rookie Patch Auto Green. That is numbered 17/25. Those are sharp. Then we have a Jared Goff, Todd Gurley to 199. Synced. Triple blue. Mr. Cam Newton to 60. Augustina, I'll let you know after this, but we have a list there's a link in the clubhouse as well in the description. If you go to the description of the group, the first thing says I think it says like personal box price list or something. And if you click on that, it's ready to go. No, Rick, 290 on Ultimate Guys, 295 if it's international shipping. Tajay Sharp, Titans. Hunter Henry, Monumental Memorabilia. You bet. And I'll roll through it too if you need me to, Augustina. And so those are 99 on the blues. Devontae Adams to 99. Monumental Mem Blue. All right. Something's hiding in one of these. Bruce Smith to 99. Rod Woodson, Epic Legends relic. You don't see a lot of him. Number to 49. Nice looking Hunter Henry here. Blue rookie patch auto of Hunter Henry. That is numbered to 60. And Russell Wilson and Tyler Lockett to 199 synced dual. Nice Hunter Henry there. So we had a blue and a green in this case. Pretty solid. What is this here? All right, Cyrus Jones. Cyrus Jones, rookie blue, numbered to 60. What's the... Oh, geez. That's disgusting. 4/5, Darrelle Revis. Pink die cut. Look at this thing. A perfect Immense Materials Jumbo Green. What's the numbering on those? 10 maybe? 25. Wow. Number to 25. Disgusting. And I think you'll like this one. 13/15. That is a hard signed Illustrious Legends autograph. Jim Kelly. Beautiful design. Number to 15. Jim Kelly. Illustrious Legends autograph. Jeff, there you have it, brother.